Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. This time round we have a triple box feature. We're looking at some HO and OO Trackside accessories. First up, let's take a look at the Kiosks Steps kit, coming in at 1/76 scale and first released in 1979. The parts in this box are loose. I can only imagine they once were part of a sprue, but the previous owner cut them off. Your eyes are not deceiving you, this is not a pre-painted part. In fact, this is an example of some great modeller's ingenuity. The previous owner has taken some clippings off some Airfix instructions and turned them into a sign for their railway. I love this idea. Have you ever done something clever like this with an Airfix kit? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's take a look at the decals, if you can even call them that. They're more of a PVA applied decals, so no need to waste your decal fix. Some highlights include this banner demanding we eat more fruit, an insight on football from Bob Ferrier on football, and the unfortunate news of a rail crash. Are these instructions tea stained, or did they always come in this kind of pirate map colour? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, when we look at the instructions we can see very handily where we should place Bob Ferrier on football. These instructions seem very simple and easy to put together. But wait, there's more. When we received this kit, it seems the person who sent it forgot to check the box thoroughly. Lo and behold, we stumbled upon their not so well hidden collection of Airfix Modeller Club pamphlets. That wraps up the Kiosk and Steps kit. Now let's move on to the Girder bridge, hitting the market in 1980. Now hold on to your paintbrushes because guess what? Someone has already got a head start on painting this kit. It seems it got lost in their stash. As often happens. We can all relate to that, can't we? Now here's something interesting about this kit. It comes with not one, but 2 sheets of instructions. I suppose so you can cross-reference your build. And finally, let's look at the Trackside accessories kit. This kit was released in 1979. First thing to note is the 50p sticker on the front. What a bargain. And finally, sprues. So nice to see something recognisable. Well, that was some HO accessories. What do you think? Did you ever build anything like this? Should we bring them back to enhance your Hornby layouts? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.